What's up, everyone? It is the time of the month for the rookie card Explosion Box version 12. I just want to take a second, congratulate Phil on a successful year with this. He's thriving. Good job for him. You know, may not be his full-time job, obviously, but still some sort of business venture. Most people, when they try anything involving business, are wildly unsuccessful. He's only not growing by desire right now. So good job to him. I think I started around version 5. Can't exactly remember. But anyways, these are the packs here. Show everyone what's going on with it. This is what you're getting with it. Take a second look at that. And these are who you're looking for in each pack. There's that. I'll do things a little different this month. I'll start from the back. We're looking at 19 Series 2. Short prints of Guerrero, base cards, Alonso, Tatis, Jimenez. Daniel Mengden. Perez. Tellez. Ozzy Albies. Wellington Castillo. Taylor Ward. Osuna. Davis. Ryu. Still hasn't signed with anyone. Escobar. Mejia. Avila. And Marte. Next up, 19 Heritage High Number. Base cards, variations, Guerrero, Tatis, Alonso, Jimenez, Guerrero, Riley, Carter, Keyboom, so on and so forth. Tommy Listella, Chirinos, Jackson, Lowry, Jones, and Fagley. All right, moving on here. 19 Bowman, Wander Franco, Luciano Rodriguez, Joey Bart. I actually was lucky enough to pull one of the Wander Franco green autos out of our retail product. Jose Barrios, Hosmer, Toussaint, Keller, Nick Castellanos. He hasn't signed either. If he continues the way he did the end of last season, it's going to be an asset for any team. Not bad. Fernando Tatis. Technically not his rookie. His rookie came out in Bowman Chrome. Not bad though. Brendan McKay, ready for the show. When he came up, he didn't do all that well. Still young though. Thompson, Seth Beer, it's a decent prospect. Will Smith and Kalenic paper. Another top prospect with Kalenic, however you say it. 18 Series 2. Looking for the Acuna back down here. Victor Arano, Wilmer Defoe. Got a gold of Trevor Williams. Tyler Anderson, Jerry's Familia, Trace Thompson, and that thing. All right. Now we have 18 Series 1, Devers, Albies, Bueller, Flaherty, Hoskins, Andahar, and Robles. Another nice thing about this is Listen, for the most part, people who subscribe for this stuff, they're realistic. They're not. They assume they're going to get skunked. No one gets too butthurt when they are. It's just something to look forward to every month. If you get something nice out of it, it's obviously a bonus. McCutcheon, Rowdy Reed, J.D. Davis, the gold of Austin Hayes, Rockies card, Nick Porcello, Sean Manaea, and Scott Feldman. All right, 2018 Topps Chrome. Looking for the Acuna, Otani, Torres. This is a hobby this month you put in for the 18 Chrome. Simmons, Buster Posey, Jonathan Scope, and Max Scherzer. Down to 15 Topps Chrome. And this you got Lindor, Bryant, Correa, Baez, Gallo. Heard rumors that the Dodgers might be a contender for Lindor. That would be something. And Betts, I think. Micah Johnson, Zach Wheeler. I'm surprised the contract he got. Chase Utley, and Chrome Trout. All right, what do we got here? 4 packs left. We're at 14 Bowman Draft. Paper cards of Jimenez, Devers, Bryant, Chapman, Turner, Flaherty. Autos of Chapman, Turner, Flaherty, Kopech, Schwarber, Verdugo, and Aaron Nola. Alrighty. Kyle Crick. Never heard of this guy. Chris Ellis. Chrome of Ramos Garcia. Rob Kaminsky. Carlos Correa. It's a nice early card of him. All right. Luis Torrens and Brian Gonzalez. 3 packs left. 18 Topps Update. Looking for the Scherzer, the Kershaw. Oh, maybe there it is. Greg Norton, De La Cruz, Chris Burke, Gonzalez and Holiday, Chipper Jones, Brad Lidge, Wes Littleton, Dave Barkowski, Jose Reyes, and Ray Knight. All right. Down to the 93 Topps. Looking for Derek Jeter. These are all packed pretty tight. Bear with me here. It would take a year to get this undone. There we go. Bernie Williams, Billy Belliard, Candiotti, John Smiley, Frank Viola, gold of Steve Olin. It's funny how some of these packs don't have any of the rookies, and then some of them have 2 or 3 of them. All right. Down to the last pack here. You got Johnson, Smoltz, Biggio, Sheffield, but the main card out of this people are looking for is the Griffey. From my understanding, to get a 10, one of the things they look at, don't quote me on this, is the condition of the hologram. A lot of times, this one's actually decent. A lot of times, there'll be like a corner will be nicked off or partially missing on them. Winningham, Saberhagen, Heath, Gruber, Wally Backman, Malenix, Washington. Got the stickers in there. Got Barry Bonds there. And there we go. Finishing the box off with Pat Tabler. Alright, nothing real crazy out of this. Hope everyone else does well. Obviously not everyone's going to, but I hope some people pull some sweet cards out of this. Wish all you luck. Alright, take care everyone.